Here are a couple of movements that you can take if your hips are giving you some trouble. First up, hip mobility circles. You're going to want to stand near a wall or a banister or a mantle so that you don't have to be concerned about your balance. You're going to stand on one leg and bring the other leg up towards you, turn it out, send it back, and bring it back up. Basically taking the femur bone around in a circle in the hip socket. You can start with nice small circles and then maybe make them wider if it feels pretty good for you. You want to stay nice and upright. Maybe you've engaged your trunk somewhat. So that's position one or pose one. The second one is an opportunity to stretch your hip flexors. Those are pretty deeply set in the pelvis and they allow you to walk and sit, but we're going to give them a nice stretch. You're going to want to stand and elevate your one leg so that the other one is nice and floating. And you want that floating leg to just drift down towards the ground. Standing up nice and tall once again, trying to keep the trunk, your torso still, and allow that leg to swing back and forth. And just like with the hip mobility circles, we're going to try not to do this. Not that there's anything dangerous about that, it just doesn't allow you to get the stretch that we're looking for. Give those couple of movements a try.